Without a shadow of a doubt, the conventional recruitment industry is an outdated business model well overdue for disruption. However, even though tech companies have tried to effectively Uberize the defunct recruitment agency business model, this has failed to gain any real traction. In fact, all that technology has done is to allow recruitment agencies to use these tools and services to make even more money, from charging their clients an exorbitant fee of up to 30% of a candidate's annual salary. Yes, that's a whopping third of a person's annual salary they charge to fill a vacancy. The problem is, although technology can speed up the recruitment process of using algorithms and the like to match job seekers to employers, it will never be able to completely eradicate the middleman, the recruiter. What technology cannot do is fully manage the entire hiring recruitment process, such as setting up the interview, negotiating terms, finessing the brief, taking up references, handling the counter-offer, etc., etc. There's simply no technology known to man that can make any discernible inroads in replacing these key human recruiting skills. However, over the past 5 years, I've developed a recruitment contact relationship management software, better known as CRM software, that combines these technological advancements with an in-person recruiter skills to build a recruitment business model that has been specifically designed to break up the stranglehold high street recruitment agencies have on the recruitment industry. How? Well, this is by allowing people from all education backgrounds and walks of life, yes, you, the opportunity to set up your very own recruitment agency that you can run from the comfort of your home and undercut the fees charged by traditional recruitment agencies.